Welcome back. I just got this Sole SR500 rowing machine. Research has found that rowing is one of the best forms of exercise and can engage 80% of your body. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble this machine. Let's begin by unboxing rower Sole SR500. Inside the box, you'll find the main rowing unit, the seat, the rails, the footrest, the handle. I did not find an instruction manual. My son and I decided to just figure out ourselves. Before starting the assembly, what we did was we have organized all the parts to double check that everything is accounted for. There is a set of screws organized around 4 steps. So there are screws for step 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it's time to assemble the rowing machine. We have unpacked and organized all the parts to figure out what goes where. This is very self-explanatory and I don't think a detailed manual was essential for this. As you can see, we have organized the seat, the mobile holder and all the screws, etc. This rover setup is a 4-step process. In step 1, we need to attach the main frame to the front stabilizer. Front stabilizer is the one with the wheels. So we tried to figure out how to set it up. With a little bit of experimentation, we figured out how to place the mainframe and front stabilizer. We rolled the mainframe sideways and then installed the front stabilizer. The front stabilizer has 4 screws. We have installed the 2 screws towards the bottom side of the front stabilizer. We have slowly organized the front stabilizer with the help of grooves and placed it over the screws. Now we can now tighten these screws, but before that we need to fix the screws on the other side of the stabilizer. So there are 2 screws. You need to make sure that it is aligned so that the screws can easily be tightened. Once these screws are installed, then step 1 is complete. Now let's move on to step 2, where we take the side track and fix it to the main frame using the rear stabilizer. In step 2, we have installed the rear stabilizer with the screws, and then in step 3, we have fixed the side track to the main frame using the screws here. Next, we have installed both the pedals using the screws classified as step 4. After installing the pedals, the machine is already looking pretty much ready for use, but we need to install the seat, and it is also straightforward. There are separate screws provided to install the seat, and these screws are mainly used for the step 4 instructions. We had to figure out the purpose of these screws ourselves, but it is pretty self-explanatory. Now we install this small board near the pedals using the screws provided, and I have used the electric screwdriver to install these particular screws. Now this step is complete. The rower is pretty much ready, but I now need to install the seat and the mobile holder here. Let's install the mobile holder. It's again straightforward. Take the mobile holder and place the 2 screws and install them. And lastly, I'm going to install the seat, and I am excited. I'm already looking forward to try this out. So the seat has 4 screws. I have installed these 4 screws, and my rower is now ready for use. Once this rowing machine is fully assembled, it's time to power on the console. I took the power adapter and connected to the power, and then the connection to the rower is just below the rowing wheel. As you can see, it's connected here. Now it's ready and fully set up and ready for use. You will hear a small beep and you will see the device turned on. Before jumping into your first workout, let's test the machine. Adjust the seat so that your knees are slightly bent when you sit down. Place your feet securely in the footrest and grip and the handle with both hands. Remember, proper rowing technique is key. I have moved this rower inside my house. It's pretty easy to move with the wheels. As always, my son is very excited to try it out. Remember, proper rowing technique is key. Start by pushing with your legs, then extend your arms, and finally pull the handle towards your chest. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.